Alright guys, we've been doing a lot of BGCSE and JCE material on our videos. So in this time I wanted us to do an IGCSE question. Especially this one was written in 2018, October, November. So now let's do page 8 of that paper, question 24, 25 and 26 very fast. I believe you guys who do BGCSE might as well learn something from this video as well, so don't be discouraged to listen to this. So let's continue and let's talk. Question 24 says that a car travels at 108 kilometers per hour for 20 seconds. Calculate the distance the car travels. Give your answer in meters. So obviously, what do we have? We have 108 kilometers per hour, and we have to give our answer in meters. So somehow I'm going to have to convert. So the first thing is to talk about the distance. Essentially, what do we know? We know that distance is equal to speed times time from the so famous DST pyramid. So now let's bring this in. Now we know we have the speed is 108 kilometers per hour, and we're going to have to multiply that with our time. What is our time? 20 seconds. But then we're going to have to do something to this 20 seconds. See here, these are hours, and now we have 20 seconds here. So we're going to have to convert this 20 seconds to hours. So how can I change 20 seconds to hours? Then we have to know our exchange rates, guys. So what are our exchange rates as well? So let me set up something here for you guys to remember. We know that 60 seconds gives us 1 minute, and then 1 minute, and then 60 minutes gives us 1 hour. So 60 minutes is to 1 hour, and then 60 minutes is how many seconds? 60 times 60. So 3,600 seconds are there in 1 hour. This is something that you guys should be knowing by heart. So with that being said, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to make sure that I get an hour on the top. So 1 hour is over 3,600 seconds. So essentially, my seconds will cancel seconds, and then I carry on with my hours. So 108 kilometers per hour multiplied by 20 over 3,600. So give me some time as I find a better paper so that we can do this more fully. So yeah, back baby, back. So let's continue. So 108 kilometers per hour, 108 kilometers per hour here. We are multiplying that with 20 over 3,600, and as we already know, these are in hours. So our hours are gonna go ahead and cancel here. So what is our 20 over 3,600? This is the same as a 2 over 360. This is the same as a 1 over 180. I'm essentially just doing it, boiling it down. So 108 divided by a 180, that's a 0.6 kilometers, because the hours cancel and we are only left with the kilometer as the unit. So now we have another problem. The question wants us to leave the answer in meters. So we have it here in kilometers. So we have to convert this to meters. What is our exchange rate? What do I know? I know that 1,000 meters gives me 1 kilometer. So right now I have a 0.6 kilometers. What I want to do is to multiply such that I have a kilometer here so that they can easily cancel out like this. So 1 kilometer, what do I know, is equivalent to 1,000 meters. So essentially I'm just rewriting this equation, or should I say this ratio here, in this way so that I can easily find out my conversion factor. When I do this, I get that 0.6 times 1,000, this is essentially 600 meters. So essentially the answer to this question would have been 600 meters. So essentially it has been written already. So 600 meters, let's leave it like that.